Alright, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to the journey. Today is Friday, September 15th, and I got another day trading video for you guys. This is the ES chart, 2000 tick interval. And yeah, this is what the market looked like this past week. You can see kind of went down a couple days, traded into some ranges, and then had some shots going up, and then kind of traded had a late rally yesterday, as you can see that, and then now we are here. Market open, pre-market started diving down, and that was pretty much the trend for today, or at least this morning. Um, just diving straight down. Yeah, you can see pretty strong downtrend. I tried finding a good channel, wasn't really something there, but today for me was another one of those, those days where it was kind of confusing. There were some trades, but I just hesitant, just not confident enough to take the trades. And then there was a couple that like worked out, but just I didn't execute. I just watched it go, and yeah, that's pretty much how today went. I did make a trade, but I'm not gonna show it. Well, I mean, I guess I could show it. I'll show it at the end. It wasn't even. It was another one like yesterday, just one of those filler trades, just to make myself feel better. Honestly, it was literally towards like the last second because I just wanted to get a trade in for the day, and I did it for one tick, and I was like, all right, at least I made something. But yeah, it was a dumb trade. Another one of those. Well, you shouldn't do. Only use one contract, but it was literally at the end of the day. I stayed on for almost 2 hours today, because I literally just couldn't find anything that I liked, or I just wasn't confident enough to pull the trigger on a couple trades. But um, theme for today though, it was starting a downtrend, then traded sideways, then it went down, then traded sideways, then went down, and traded sideways, and then that's just kind of how it went today. Just and I was trying to find some entries, and I just couldn't find any. I'm gonna watch Thomas Wade's video today because I think he posts um, today on Fridays. Yeah, if you haven't checked them out already, if you're trying to learn how to price action trade better, um, if you're just trying to learn price action in general, head over to their YouTube channel, Thomas Wade's YouTube channel, because he teaches it pretty well. So does Pat's price action trading. That's how I'm learning. That's why I'm posting my journey, because this is from their teaching and how I price action trade. But yeah, like I was confused again, kind of not really confused, but just kind of like frustrated because I couldn't find any solid entries. So, but just as you can see already though, there's a lot of like little. It started in that downtrend, traded sideways, went down, traded sideways, and just kind of that was just the theme today, I guess. But it is Friday too, so we kind of expected a sell-off because Fridays are usually sell-off days, and this Friday was no different. um, and it just kind of, goes to show. Yeah, so we got this little spike right here. I was almost going to enter right here, but like I said, like the signal bar wasn't that good. I didn't like what I saw. Just kind of got hesitant, and just wasn't good. I marked that as a trade right there because technically I think that was second entry, but I don't know. The signal bar for or not, that wasn't a second entry. That was a triple test, but I just don't like the signal bar that I gave, so I stayed out of it. But as you see, it worked out kind of well. I'm talking about the trade with the red arrow there. Triple test, could have taken that, didn't take it. Kind of got hesitant, but it's all good. Then I noticed another range forming right here, and I think, yeah, it broke through again. I think that's a second entry short. either second entry short. Yeah, second entry short. But again, signal bar was a bullish bar. Just not good. Entered a sim trade because I wanted to see if it would work out. Did end up working out for scalp, but that's about it. That was the sim. But like I said, like, kind of confusing. There were some trades right there. Should have taken, especially that last one, that triple test. But like I said, the signal bar was bad. Both signal bars are bad. That's what was my logic for keeping me out of it. But they both ended up working out, and which is weird about today though. There's those two ranges. One of them did a breakout, and there was a failed breakout. Broke out into another little range, but then another one just kind of broke out and didn't. Just kind of leveled off. But yeah, not a lot of not a lot of action today, guys. Just a bunch of this, and yeah, I'm gonna cut it to where I made my first trade, or my one and only trade, because just from here it kind of just kept going down, and I really could not find any entries. If you guys found any entries today, other than those two that I marked, please let me know, because I'm curious to see what other people saw. Because I was like growing and seeing where people see some entries at. But I'm gonna speed up to my only trade of the day. So hold on one second. Okay, so the trade's gonna be here at the end of the video. Yeah, it really wasn't that. It wasn't a solid trade or a high probability setup or anything. It was just me just trying to get a trade. I only got like $12 out of it, anyways. So, yeah. So I'm gonna leave it off there, guys. I hope everybody that did trade today had a good trading day. It was one of those days for me, so it wasn't that good. But hey, there's always next week, and we're gonna bring that fire and that motivation and discipline ready into Monday, and we're gonna have a good trading day on Monday. But that being said, I hope everybody has a great rest of the week. I'm gonna leave my most recent video here to my left, and then the subscribe button here to the right. If you haven't already, please do that. But yeah, that being said, guys, I will catch everybody next weekend. Have a great weekend, and yeah, peace.